SMARTPM is a Basque engineering and B2B solutions development company aimed at smart automation and industrial process optimization, located in the heart of the Basque Precision Technology District. At SMARTPM, we're developing a software platform called MIC to help industry maximize the productivity of their assets via industrial automation. This open modular platform, set to become the operating system endowing production processes with autonomy and intelligence, integrates different IT solutions with actual workshop operation, manages process flow and incorporates current expertise and future AI functionalities. We've designed our factory lab to tackle this solution from a practical point of view and make it a reality. To face our MIC platform market deployment, we count on with the following competitive advantages. A skilled and experienced engineering team to develop and implement the best automation solutions. Deep understanding of the industrial processes. Powerful collaboration ecosystem with partners like Hexagon, Agile, ONA. Last but not least, we have developed a unique infrastructure called SMARTPM Factory Lab, a testbed for our products that enables MIC solution development and testing in a real environment, verifying that the different assets involved work autonomously and incorporate continuous improvement strategies, as well as flexible adaptation to a changing environment. SMARTPM project was born with the vocation of becoming a catalyst for industrial productivity improvement based on the implementation of our MIC automation platform.